Ready for takeoff? Buckle up and prepare for an extraordinary journey. Your Amex Jet Airways adventure starts now. Tired of sky-high airfares? Imagine a world where your travel dreams are within reach. Do you dream of luxurious airport lounges? Picture yourself unwinding in a serene oasis, away from the hustle and bustle of the terminal. Imagine earning free flights and exclusive perks every time you swipe your credit card. Every purchase brings you closer to your next adventure. With the Amex Jet Airways credit card, these dreams become your reality. It's not just a card, it's your gateway to a world of possibilities. This isn't just another credit card, it's a tool designed to enhance your travel experience, offering unparalleled benefits and rewards. It's your passport to a world of travel rewards and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, this card has something for everyone. Get ready to elevate your travel game. Pack your bags and prepare for a journey like no other. This is your guide to unlocking the secrets of the Amex Jet Airways credit card. Discover how you can maximize your rewards and enjoy exclusive privileges. We'll explore its amazing benefits. From earning miles on every purchase to enjoying complimentary lounge access, we'll uncover hidden perks that make this card a must-have for travelers. And we'll help you decide if this card is your ticket to travel bliss. Imagine yourself on a sun-soaked beach, your Amex Jet Airways credit card in hand, knowing that your next adventure is just a swipe away. We're about to reach cruising altitude. Sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the incredible journey that awaits with the Amex Jet Airways credit card. Your adventure starts now. The Amex Jet Airways credit card is more than just a way to pay. It's your gateway to a world of exclusive benefits and unforgettable experiences. It's your co-pilot on the journey to incredible travel experiences. Imagine having a companion that not only makes your travel seamless but also rewards you every step of the way. This card is designed for those who crave adventure. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrains or exploring bustling cityscapes, the Amex Jet Airways credit card ensures you're always ready for your next adventure. It's for those who want to explore the world in style, enjoy the luxury of first-class travel, exclusive airport lounges, and priority boarding, making every journey as comfortable as possible. With every purchase, you earn valuable jet privilege miles. From your daily coffee run to your next big purchase, every transaction brings you closer to your dream destination. These miles are like a currency for travel. Track your miles easily on your smartphone and watch them grow with every swipe of your card. You can redeem them for flights on Jet Airways, fly to your favorite destinations or discover new ones, all while enjoying the premium services of Jet Airways. You can also use them for hotel stays. Book luxurious accommodations around the world and make your stay as memorable as your journey. And you can use them for other travel perks. From access to exclusive airport lounges to priority check-ins and more, the Amex Jet Airways credit card ensures you travel with ease and comfort. The rewards don't stop at travel. Use your miles for dining, shopping, and even cultural experiences. The Amex Jet Airways credit card opens up a world of possibilities, so why wait? Elevate your travel experience with the Amex Jet Airways credit card. Your journey to sky-high rewards starts now. Let's talk about those jet privilege miles. They're the heart of the Amex Jet Airways rewards program. Earn miles with every swipe. The more you spend, the more you earn. It's that simple. Redeem your miles for flights on Jet Airways and its partner airlines. Fly to exotic destinations. Enjoy comfortable seats and excellent service. Your miles make it possible. Airports can be stressful. Long lines, crowded gates, and delayed flights can ruin your trip. But the Amex Jet Airways card offers an escape. Enjoy complimentary access to select airport lounges worldwide, relax in comfortable seating, enjoy complimentary refreshments, and escape the pre-flight frenzy. This perk alone can make your travels more enjoyable. It's like having a mini vacation before your actual vacation begins. Section 5. Travel insurance. Fly with peace of mind. Traveling always comes with uncertainties. Flight delays, lost baggage, and medical emergencies can happen. The Amex Jet Airways card provides travel insurance for added peace of mind. This coverage can help protect you from unexpected costs. It can also provide assistance if things go wrong. Knowing you're covered allows you to focus on what matters, enjoying your trip. Section 6. Fuel surcharge waiver. Save big on every trip. Fuel surcharges are the bane of every traveler's existence. These added fees can significantly increase the cost of your flight. But the Amex Jet Airways card comes to the rescue. Enjoy a waiver on fuel surcharges for Jet Airways flights booked through the dedicated website. This benefit can save you a significant amount of money, especially on long-haul flights. Section 7. Exclusive Jet Airways perks. Experience the royal treatment. As an Amex Jet Airways cardholder, you're not just a passenger, you're a valued guest. Enjoy a range of exclusive perks when you fly Jet Airways. These perks may include priority check-in, extra baggage allowance, and complimentary upgrades when available. These small touches can make a big difference in your travel experience. They demonstrate the value Jet Airways places on its loyal customers. Section 8. Hidden Gems, uncovering the card's best-kept secrets. We've covered the major benefits, but the Amex Jet Airways card has even more to offer. Look closer and you'll discover hidden gems that enhance its value. These might include special discounts on dining and entertainment. You might also find exclusive access to events and experiences. These hidden perks add an element of surprise and delight to being a cardholder. Section 9. Is the Amex Jet Airways card right for you? The Amex Jet Airways credit card offers a world of travel rewards and benefits. From earning miles on every purchase to enjoying exclusive access to airport lounges, this card is designed to make your travel experience more rewarding and comfortable. But is it the right card for you? Let's delve deeper into what this card offers and see if it matches your travel and spending habits. If you're a frequent flyer, especially with Jet Airways, the answer is likely yes. The card provides accelerated miles earning on Jet Airways flights, which means you can accumulate miles faster and redeem them for free flights, upgrades, and other travel perks. This card can save you money in various ways. For instance, you can enjoy discounts on flight tickets, complimentary companion tickets, and even cashback on certain purchases. These savings can add up significantly over time, making your travel more affordable. It can also enhance your travel experience in countless ways. With access to premium airport lounges, you can relax in comfort before your flight. Additionally, the card offers priority check-in, extra baggage allowance, and in-flight amenities that can make your journey more pleasant. However, it's essential to carefully review the card's fees and requirements. The annual fee, interest rates, and other charges can impact the overall value you get from the card. Make sure you understand these costs and compare them with the benefits you receive. Ensure it aligns with your spending habits and travel goals. If you travel frequently and can take full advantage of the card's benefits, it could be a great addition to your wallet. However, if your travel is infrequent or you prefer other airlines, you might want to consider other options. Ultimately, the right card for you is one that complements your lifestyle and helps you achieve your travel aspirations. Section 10. Take control of your travel. Apply for the Amex Jet Airways card today. Ready to unlock a world of travel rewards? Apply for the Amex Jet Airways credit card today. It's a simple process. You can complete it online in minutes. Don't wait to start earning miles. Don't wait to enjoy unforgettable travel experiences. Your journey to amazing destinations starts with a single application. Section 11. Your journey to unforgettable experiences begins now. The Amex Jet Airways credit card is more than just a piece of plastic. It's a key that unlocks a world of travel possibilities. It's your ticket to incredible destinations, luxurious perks, and memories that will last a lifetime. Start your adventure today. Apply for the Amex Jet Airways credit card and experience the world like never before.